thread the Brilliant, start by touching the needle up-down button twice to ensure that the needle is in the highest position, then lift the presser foot. Now place the spool of thread on the spool pin with the thread coming off of the bottom of the spool and replace the spool cap directly next to the spool of thread. Now we follow the numerical path. You're going to come under here for number 1, under this metal guide, and then come around the machine, around here for number 3. Number 4 is up and over the take-up lever. Bring the thread down to the top of the needle where there's a guide, and across number 7, then straight to the thread cutter. Now lower the presser foot, push down on the needle threading lever, and your machine is threaded. Now you can place your fabric under the presser foot, and there's no need to adjust the position of the thread.